This time we're supposed to add two complex numbers expressed in polar forms, and please notice that the angles are expressed in radians. So the very first thing which you're supposed to do, you're supposed to switch your calculator to radians. So in order to add these two numbers, I'm going to convert these two polar forms to rectangular forms. So let me talk about this number first. So I have to find the real part. X is equal r cosine theta. R is equal 23 cosine of 2 pi over 5. Remember that your calculator must be switched to radians. This is equal 7.1. Next, we're supposed to find the imaginary part. Y is equal r sine theta, which is equal 23 sine, and I have 2 pi over 5. Please notice that I'm using parentheses. This is mandatory to use parentheses if you use the calculator. So I have this equal to 21.87. Now let's convert this polar form to rectangular form. So again, I have to find x. I'm going to call this, for example, x1 equals r1 cosine theta 1. So I have r1 equals 91 cosine theta, which is equal negative pi over 3, okay, theta 1. This is equal 45.5. Okay, this is my real part for this number. And I have y1 equals r1 sine theta 1, which is equal 91 sine, open parenthesis, negative pi over 3. This is equal negative 78.8. So I can rewrite this expression as open parenthesis, I have 7.1 plus j 21.87 plus, open parenthesis, I have 45.5 minus j 78.8. Okay? Next, I supposed to take off the parentheses because I have positive signs at the front of the parentheses. Remember, anytime we do not see any sign at the front of the parentheses, there is always invisible positive sign. So when we have positive signs, we just simply take off the parentheses and keep the same signs inside of the parentheses. So I have 7.1 plus 45.5, I'm combining the like terms at the same time, plus j 21.87 minus j 78.8. 7.1 plus 45.5 is equal 52.6. And j 21.87 minus j 78.8 is equal negative j 56.93. Okay, so this is the solution to my problem.